it's Jessie. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something that's probably gonna turn out, most definitely gonna turn out to be a bad life decision. I have seen some other people doing this challenge for a while, most notably last week. I think Nicole Guerrero did it. I watched hers. And I thought today that I would do the no mirror makeup challenge. So I'm going to move my mirror, I'm gonna put it on the floor facing away, and I'm going to unplug my monitor. Oh my God, this is so weird. Okay, so I am now completely sightless. I have a feeling this is gonna be a train wreck, but that's okay. I'm gonna start by priming my face with my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I honestly don't watch a ton of the makeup tag and challenge videos because they kind of get repetitive after a while, in my opinion. But this one seemed kind of fun and challenging, and yeah. Okay, here comes the first test. For my foundation, oh my God, I'm so nervous. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Color Stay 24-Hour Foundation. Oh Lordy. I started with my hair down so that I won't go into the bathroom to mess with my hair when I'm done. And then I'll see myself. Okay, here goes. Oh my God, I'm gonna try starting in go area by area on my face and just overblend. Oh my God, I already can tell. This is so weird. This brush is kind of, not a cheat, but it's definitely helpful because you can sort of just tap, and that does help if there's any area that didn't get completely blended. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. I hope this is recording. Okay, I don't feel like I missed any areas. I feel somewhat optimistic about the foundation. Oh my God, okay. Still got a long way to go. Okay, next I'm gonna use concealer. Oh my God. Okay, and once again here, I think my goal is just gonna be to keep blending. The more blending, more better, I guess, maybe. I feel like these steps on my face, like putting my base on, I do so many times. I mean, I feel like I should be able to do this without a mirror. I just do the same thing over and over again. The part that scares me is like mascara or lashes or anything having to do with my eyes. Should I do fake lashes? I don't know, that's like so scary. Woo. I mean, I feel like I have a decent grasp on like how long it usually takes me to blend and like what areas. So that gives me a little bit of confidence. I mean, I know generally like what it takes. And then I'm just gonna do a little more. Oh my God, am I gonna do eyeliner? Oh my God, that's really scary. I don't wanna stick things in my eyes. Yes, I'm whining. Okay, cream contour. Okay, still feeling somewhat okay. Oh my God, I'm gonna contour my nose. This is really nerve-wracking. Okay, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder. I'm covering up the mirror. Just gonna set underneath my eyes. Now's where we gotta start making some decisions. Okay, I'm going to fill in my brows with brow gel. There's no way I can use the Brow Wiz. Like, it would just be all over my face. So this is bad enough. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel like this is making a mess. Like, feel this. Ah! I know that hit skin. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger to clean that up in case there's anything underneath there. I mean, I don't see anything on my finger. There's a little there. Okay. Okay, I guess we're gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna bend it back so I can't see the mirror. Okay, first I'm gonna pick up the shade Golden Ochre. Oh my god. What do we think the oh my god count is gonna be in this video? This will probably be my most blended out eyeshadow ever, because I feel like you can't go wrong the more you blend. Next, I'm gonna pick up the shade Antique Bronze. Oh my god. The thing is, I know how pigmented these eyeshadows are, so I know, and that's what scares me. Okay, my crease. That's the outer corner of my lid. I hope. I'm gonna put a little Real Gart in there also, just to kind of blend that out in case I got a little heavy-handed. How would I know? I don't know. And you know what? What the hell? Let's throw a little love letter in there too. Why not? Okay, and then I'm gonna take Primavera on my finger and put that on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more Antique Bronze to blend that out. I'm gonna go ahead and do underneath my eye, God help me, with a little bit of Antique Bronze. And then I'm gonna blend that out with a little bit of Love Letter as well. Tying the whole thing together, maybe? Or just dripping eyeshadow down my face, better possibility. Oh my god, this is such a terrible idea. Okay, I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm going to use my Mark My Eyes by LA Girl because I feel like this is just gonna be easier. It's like a marker, maybe? Maybe not, probably not. Those are famous last words. Oh my god, this is such a bad idea. Oh my god, I like have no idea where my lid is. Oh, why am I doing this? Oh my god. I already know this is gonna be terrifying. Okay. Do we think that I can put eyeliner on my lower waterline without looking? I mean, I feel like this is the thing that I do most. I feel better about that than I did the upper lashes. Okay, the time has come to do mascara. This isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, okay. We're getting through the hard stuff. I mean, I feel like I have trouble with my eyes under good conditions. Oh my god, who am I? Check me out. Oh shit. Crap, I know that I just hit my face. I got a little overconfident and now I know that there's mascara on my face. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then I'm gonna attempt to clean it up without a mirror. This is... it's taken a turn. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, I'm going to bronze with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. Well, nose contour too, because why the hell not? Okay, for blush, I think I'll go into this color in my Morphe 9N palette. And for highlight, I'm gonna use my Becca Champagne Pop. Okay, almost there. I feel like I've gotten through the really hard stuff. But this, I feel like the lip liner is my last like major challenge. So I'm gonna use MAC Soar. I mean, I feel like I should be able to do this in my sleep. Ooh. Oh God. That Cupid's bow is the problem. I have no idea how that went. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Schoolgirl. Oh God. And then I'm gonna set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray because I'm sure I'm gonna wanna keep this on all day. Oh my God, so my camera cut off. This is the only problem with not having the monitor on. My camera probably overheated at one point and I don't know when it stopped. I'm gonna have to look when I go back and edit it. Oh my God, for a second I thought that I hadn't started recording because when I pressed the stop record button, it like started recording and I was really nervous. And I kind of freaked out that the whole thing hadn't recorded. I was really pissed off, but it looks like part of it recorded. I'm not sure where it cut off. So here's my final no mirror makeup challenge look. I'm actually really surprised with how well this turned out. I really love the way that this eyeshadow looks. It actually looks really good. It looks really blended. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with myself. The eyeliner obviously was probably one of the toughest parts of this, but even still, it's not terrible. Like, it's fixable. My lip situation, my top lip is missing a lot of lipstick. This whole side is a little gone, but my lower lip looks good. As far as the base goes, I have to say everything looks really blended in. There's no patchiness, so that's pretty good. Mascara, obviously I hit a little bit here. I actually thought I hit it over here and I don't see any there, so either I got it with the Q-tip or it just didn't happen and I just imagined it. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.